Nestled in the heart of Tuscany, central Italy, Florence sits along the winding Arno River, surrounded by rolling hills, olive groves, and vineyards. As the birthplace of the Renaissance, this city has shaped art, architecture, and science for centuries. Every street, piazza, and building tells a story of ambition, creativity, and culture, making Florence a must-see destination for travelers from around the world. Begin your exploration at Piazza del Duomo, Florence's spiritual and architectural center. The Florence Cathedral, Santa Maria del Fiore, dominates the skyline with its red-tiled dome designed by Filippo Brunelleschi, completed in 1436. Visit early in the morning to beat the crowds and capture the morning sunlight on the colorful marble facade, adorned with intricate carvings and sculptures. Don't miss climbing the dome, where a narrow spiral staircase takes you between the inner and outer layers. From the top, you'll see Florence laid out like a terracotta quilt, the Arno River cutting through the city, and the rolling Tuscan hills beyond. Next to the cathedral stands Giotto's Campanile, the bell tower, which is itself a work of art with geometric patterns and sculptures depicting the arts, sciences, and virtues. If you're feeling energetic, climb the tower for a slightly different perspective on the city. Across the piazza, the Baptistery of San Giovanni offers a quieter but equally stunning experience. Its Gates of Paradise bronze doors by Lorenzo Ghiberti depict biblical scenes in exquisite detail. Inside, the octagonal space rises above you in dazzling gold and deep blue mosaics illustrating the Last Judgment. From the Duomo, wander a few minutes to Piazza della Signoria, the city's political and cultural hub. The Palazzo Vecchio towers above the square with its crenellated walls. Here, you can admire the replica of Michelangelo's David and Cellini's Perseus, along with other statues that turn the piazza into an open-air museum. Step inside the palazzo for frescoed halls and gilded chambers that recount the Medici family's rule and Florence's political history. From there, make your way to the Uffizi Gallery, one of the world's premier art museums. Designed by Giorgio Vasari as administrative offices for the Medici, the Uffizi now houses masterpieces like Botticelli's Birth of Venus, Leonardo da Vinci's early works, and paintings by Raphael, Caravaggio, and Titian. To avoid the busiest times, visit mid-morning or late afternoon and consider booking tickets in advance online. After the Uffizi, cross the Arno River via the Ponte Vecchio, a medieval bridge lined with centuries-old jewelry shops. This is a perfect spot for photography, especially in the golden afternoon light. On the other side, explore the Oltarno district, known for artisan workshops in leather, jewelry, and ceramics. Visit Via Maggio for antique shops and Via dei Serragli for traditional craft studios, where you can watch artisans at work. Continue to Palazzo Pitti, the Grand Medici residence. Inside, the Palatine Gallery displays Renaissance paintings, and the Gallery of Modern Art offers Italian works from the 18th and 19th centuries. Behind the palace, the Boboli Gardens provide a peaceful retreat with manicured hedges, fountains, and sculptures, perfect for a late afternoon stroll. For a break in authentic dining, head to Mercato Centrale. Here, local vendors serve fresh pasta, truffles, cheeses, cured meats, and the famous Lampredato sandwiches, a Florentine specialty. For coffee or light bites, the market upstairs has modern cafes with indoor seating. For a traditional Tuscan dinner, Trattoria Forleoni in Oltrarno offers fresh pasta and Florentine steak, while Osteria Vini e Vecchi Sapori near Santa Croce serves hearty local dishes in a cozy setting. Next, visit Santa Croce, Florence's monumental Franciscan church where Michelangelo, Galileo, and Machiavelli are buried. Giotto's frescoes adorn the walls, and the leather school behind the church offers souvenirs and demonstrations. To enjoy panoramic views, climb to San Miniato al Monte, perched on a hill overlooking Florence. Sunset is the ideal time, as the city glows in warm light, with the Duomo, Palazzo Vecchio, and Ponte Vecchio perfectly framed by Tuscan hills and vineyards. If you have time, explore Florence's hidden corners, Piazza Santo Spirito for lively squares and cafes, Museo Leonardo da Vinci to see reproductions of his inventions, Bardini Gardens, less crowded than Boboli, with a stunning staircase and seasonal blooms. Florence is best explored on foot. Wear comfortable shoes and pace yourself. Every alley, hidden piazza, and artisan shop offers a story. Morning and late afternoon provide the best light for photography, while early evening is perfect for dinner and gelato along the Arno. By the time you leave, Florence is more than a destination. It's a living museum. From the Duomo to the Oltrarno artisans, from the Uffizi masterpieces to hidden piazzas, every moment immerses you in centuries of history, art, and Italian culture. In Tuscany's heart, along the Arno River, Florence continues to inspire travelers from around the world.